Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can verify email address. It's completely free though. Each and every month, you will get free credits like 50 to 100 and you can verify any email address. And I'm going to introduce a very useful tool, 100% verified tools. If you are a student and if you want to go abroad for your higher study and if you want to email your professor, so definitely you must need a verified email address. Also, if you are a freelancer and if you want to get your targeted client's email address, you must need to verify your email address before sending any emails like proposals. Okay. Also, if you are a B2B business owner or e-commerce business owner or D2C, so definitely you have to communicate with email address. Also, if you are an email marketer, so you know how important is that. Okay, so in this video I will show you step by step how you can find email address and how you can verify the email address. Okay, so let's get started. And before jump into the video, if you are new here, so I make videos for you how you can start your freelancing journey, how you can make money online, how you can grow your YouTube channel, and how you can start your online business. So if you are interested in this, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. You will get always helpful video. So stay tuned. First of all, I'm going to search on LinkedIn. Suppose I'm going to find e-commerce. I'm going to search on e-commerce specialist, and the particular location is United States of America. So let's select the people section and let's select the location. And if you have any multiple locations that you want to target, so you can select from there also. And you will see 5 countries here, no problem, just you can search over there. Okay, and you will see different location in this list. So this is the manual search in LinkedIn, so you know. So click on show results and you will see all the LinkedIn user, they are from United States, different locations. Also you can search on particular state like California, United States. So remove the United States and just California, United States, or New York City metropolitan. So this is very specific location, just you want to grab. Okay, California, United States, you can see 16k results over there. Okay, so our target is to grab their email address. Okay, so first of all, alright guys, so in this page you will see 10 to 15 LinkedIn URL. Okay, so I'm going to open this account and I will try to find this person email address. Okay, and when I get the email address, we are going to verify this email address. Okay, so global e-commerce product manager Brianna Akuna. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, so I'm going to use the tools. It's called Adapt Prospector. It's a email finding tools. Okay, so let's see how it works. And if I got an email address, so maybe they will show the percentage, like verification percentage over there. So here you can see this is the email address, 95%. They show that verified 95%. So let's copy the email address and we'll be using the tools. It's really amazing tools, and for verification we'll be using hunter.io, and you will see there are different kind of products over there. So click on email verifier. Okay, verify any email address and you will see the landing page, and here you can see enter an email address, then click on verify. But verify, so if you don't understand, just here you can see try with click on here and you will see like this kind of scenario over there. And this email format is valid, server status valid, type professional, email status valid. That's mean this email is valid. But we are going to already we copied our email address, now paste it here. Okay, that we've already got, and click on verify. All right, here you can see this email address is valid, and all format by verified by Hunter, like format valid and server email status valid, types professional. That's mean this email is 100% valid and you can send them email. So this is how you can verify the email address. So guys, in this tutorial I just showed you that there is a tools Adapt Prospector, also you can verify from here, and I showed you that I grabbed this email address from here and it's also showed 95%. So suppose if you have any confusion, so don't worry, so just go to hunter.io and paste it here your email address and just click on verify, and it will come up like this way is if it is verified. Okay, so this is how you can confirm your email address using hunter.io, and you can make a business deal with them whatever you have. So this is for today. If you love this content, comment below. I will come back with another tutorials, so stay tuned. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.